This home features a dual module design that enables faster delivery and efficient installation. The 85 square meter layout includes 2 bedrooms, a combined living and dining area, a kitchen, and a bathroom. All structural components are built with SIPs, precision cut according to the drawings and assembled to ensure consistent quality and stability. Inside the factory, each module is pre-assembled with major interior elements fully integrated, minimizing the amount of work required on site. Wall finishes, flooring, plumbing lines, fixtures, and built-in details are installed during factory production. This controlled environment helps improve construction accuracy and reduces material waste. After assembly, each module undergoes quality checks to ensure structural reliability and airtight connections. Modules are then prepared for transport, with all components secured and protected for long-distance shipping. Once delivered to the site, the 2 modules can be lifted into position and connected quickly, significantly shortening the construction timeline. The result is a well-designed, high-quality modular home that combines efficiency, comfort, and modern aesthetics.